Hi guys and welcome back on this YouTube channel. I'm Margot alias margavalux. I am very passionate about luxury handbags and accessories, so if you are too, you are on the right channel. Anyway, so I usually do videos on Wednesday and Sunday, and I'm gonna do like a Dropmas because everyone is doing a Vlogmas, but I'm gonna do a Dropmas. I will explain you just after I unbox this little beauty, and then after the unboxing, I'm gonna explain you how it works, what it is, and why I'm doing this. So let's go. I'm just gonna start by unboxing this beautiful baby. We're gonna see together what's inside. I hope you will enjoy it, of course. So let's go. So Vincent made all the packages. It was so lovely to see. But yeah, Christmas it is. So this is the first Dropmas we have. So this is the first unboxing. I hope you guys will actually like it. We'll see what's inside, actually. So here it is, and let's open this together. Also, everything will be linked in description. So the first unboxing I'm doing is for this lovely cosmetic pouch from Louis Vuitton. We have a monogram canvas for this one. I'm actually super excited because I love this type of pouch. These are my favorite. So I would say like the leather parts are quite good, I must say. And the hardware is as new. This is a very, very good condition one. Corners are also very, very nice. Now we're gonna go for the inside. So inside is also very good, actually. Like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see anyway. Everything will be in description. This way you can check photos and everything on my website. I will explain to you just after my explanation. I'm gonna tell you everything about what's Dropmas, what I do and everything for everyone new here on this YouTube channel. Meanwhile, do not hesitate to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be very happy to welcome you here. Anyway, so yeah, so inside is quite good. You have some little damage on this very side close to the zipper, but it's quite usual for this type of leather. Otherwise, we have a very nice condition. We have a fold inside, but that's quite normal as well. If not, this is usual and perfect. And the price for this one, because it's a very good condition one, we are at 376 euro. I will add, of course, on the screen the USD price and the UK price also, as usual for my backdrop days. So it will be exactly the same for the Dropmas. So now I'm gonna explain you. As I was mentioning at the beginning, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm very passionate about luxury handbags. I'm French, and I decided with Vincent, my companion, to create bamluxurystore.com. This is our website where we sell you luxury handbags and accessories, mostly secondhand. So we source you amazing luxury babies for you to buy them on the website. We do only backdrop, so it's only the Wednesday, the certain hour per email. If you want to receive this email with the new items we release, everything will be in description. Also, this little baby is on sale right now. You can buy it on the website just right now. This is the first drop we make for Christmas. So it's on the website. You can buy directly and you will have every photo in description. So why Dropmas and not Vlogmas? So if you are aware of Vlogmas, it's usually YouTubers that makes video about their life, their everyday life, or every week they make sometimes Vlogmas and Weekmas. But I decided to do something a bit different, so I decided to make like a Dropmas. So it means instead of doing a Vlogmas, I'm doing one drop per day with one item per day. So from the 1st of December until the 24th of December, I will be dropping one item, luxury item, mostly secondhand, sometimes it's new. I will let you know when it's new. And you will have obviously and of course the usual backdrop day on Wednesday with multiple items, but otherwise you will have this. So how it will be working? So normally you receive an email at 6 p.m. Paris time, and then you have the video releasing on Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. I will add on the screen also the US time, the UK time for everyone to be aware, because of course we ship worldwide, okay guys? So we ship like Singapore, US, Canada, everywhere in the world, even if we are from Europe. But yeah, and so the Dropmas will be working as well. So it's gonna work. So we will first release the video here on YouTube at 6 p.m. So it's for my YouTube family. Guys, you will be the first to know what's releasing. And then at 6:15 p.m., you will receive the email. Everyone else will receive the email, but the ones who are on YouTube, so you behind your screen, you will be the first to know like the new item of the week. So it can be nice actually. So yeah, you will be the first. I hope you will enjoy it. This is the way it's gonna work. So you can buy directly on the website. I will add everything in the description of this video. Please consider, of course, subscribing. I really hope like Dropmas is gonna work. I hope it's gonna please you. I will try sometimes to do things differently. But yeah, from like 1st December till 24th of December, you will have a drop every single day. I really hope you're gonna love it. I'm quite excited. Everything is already planned, kind of. We know exactly what we will release for December because it was like a huge work in advance. We have plenty other things to surprise you. I really hope you will enjoy, of course. But yeah, for the first item, we have this amazing cosmetic pouch. You have few other things available on the website. Depends on what's still left or not. Because as I was saying, we do like every Wednesday a backdrop day. So sometimes it goes very quickly. You need to be super, super fast. If you did not subscribe to the newsletter, please go, because when people receive an email and see something that they like, they usually buy it. And then on Wednesday, we have like a video YouTube at 6:30 p.m. And then we do a live on Instagram in English. And then we do a live on TikTok, but in French, because also we have a huge community in French, especially on TikTok. But we are live on Instagram in English. We try to have them both. I usually speak in English on every channel. I also have like a French YouTube channel, so if you prefer French and you want to like hear French, free to go and check my French YouTube channel. It's been like almost 3 years I'm on YouTube for my French channel. My English YouTube channel is more recent, I have to say. But I'm very excited also to exchange with you, to share my passion for luxury handbags. And I'm so passionate that I decided like to create my own company. I was actually already doing this for quite a time now, for myself, for friends, family, and people that I knew in Paris. But now it's becoming like worldwide actually, yeah, because we are selling to the whole world. This is quite crazy when you think about it. But this is something really that I do with passion. I'm so in love with what I'm doing. And I hope you will love it too, actually. I hope you will enjoy what I'm doing and that you will like what I'm doing. We'll see. But yeah, don't hesitate to comment this video, to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And you can also go follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Like, every help is amazing. It's only one click for you, one like, one follow, but it's so much for us. It's helping us to grow, to have more visibility, sincerely. And when you are a small business, this is so important. I really try to vehiculate like some love, some happiness, always with a smile, some, I don't know, some joy. And this is who I am, actually. I try to be like very joyful every day. Not every day, of course. I have some like dark days, like days where I'm like tired and everything. But I really try in my everyday life to have some joy and to give some joy. Of course, it's super important. We have only one life. We need to enjoy. And yeah, I don't know. We have no time to be sad or no time to be angry at people, I guess. Sometimes, of course, but you know, we need to enjoy our life as much as we can. Life is short. Anyway, on those beautiful words, I hope you will enjoy this video. And I will see you tomorrow, actually, for another Dropmas. I hope you will like this type of content, the Dropmas thing. This is kind of new. I think no one is doing this, actually. And I don't know, like, we thought it would be like a nice idea and something different. That's what you can see. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy and see you soon. Bisous!